First ball bowled. He's played to the square leg area for a single. And they have and for a couple. Good bit of batting. Good shot again. Played into the covers area. It's good fielding out there. They ran for the second. And it's called a run out. Umpire says no. Not out is the call, or oh, it's out. In fact, it's out. Huh? Priscilla is the new batter. I'm sorry, Priscilla is the on strike, and Sharon is a non-strike wide by the umpire. Wide call. The score is 4 for loss of 1 wicket. Played down the ground, straight down the ground for a single. They have run for a second. Chance of run out again, but missed by the bowler herself. So with this couple of runs, the score moves to 6 for loss of 1 wicket. First over in progress. Nandini, the bowler. Again she bowled. Down the leg side, plays to the fine leg area for wonderful 4. First boundary of the innings. With this boundary, the score moves up to 10 for loss of 1 wicket. Priscilla is batting exceptionally well. She has scored 9 of 4 deliveries so far. Oh, nicely bowled. Over the wicket she comes, Nandini, and bowled very nice line outside the off stump, completely beaten Priscilla. Nicely bowled again. Flight given. Priscilla tries to smash it, but completely beaten by the flight and wrist. The keeper have done the job. 2 dots ends up the over. After 10 runs, after completion of 1 over, Jed, the new bowler, played to the mid-wicket area for just a single. With this single, Sharon opens an account. Priscilla is playing 9 on 9, 6 deliveries. Play to the covers area, wonderful shot into the gap for 4. No chance whatsoever for the 2 fielders. They were just spectators watching the ball going. With this 4, the score moves up to quickly 15. And again, good shot. And it's a 6, the first 6 of the match. Priscilla is batting so nice. Clinical batting by Priscilla. She's just watching the ball. And again, pulls it so nicely for a 4. With this 4, the score moves up to 25. She's on 23. Jade again to Priscilla. Oh, full toss ball, completely missed. Inner edge, with no harm done, no run. Last legal delivery of this over. Full toss. Tried to sweep it. Couldn't get the neat part of the bat, but still managed for a single. With this single, the end of the over after completion of 2 overs, the score is 26 for loss of 1 wicket. Now, the last bowler will be Jocelyn. 26 for loss of 1 wicket after completion of 2 overs. Jocelyn will be the last bowler. She will be bowling last over for her team. And Priscilla, she's on 24. Down the leg side, umpire calls it's a wide. With this extra, the score moves to 27. Full toss delivery, but couldn't make a full advantage of it. Still managed to take a single though. With this single, the score moves up to 28. Good shot. Nicely fielded there. Sharon with a single again. Score moves up to 29. Loss of 1 wicket. Good shot again. And it's a 6. Priscilla is stealing the show here. It's batting so nicely. Second 6 of the innings for Priscilla. She moves up to 31 in just 13 deliveries. The score moves up to 35. 3 more legal deliveries left in this innings. Let's see what it's gonna be for the bat of Priscilla. Nicely bowled, very nicely bowled. Left over. No chance whatsoever. 2 deliveries left again. And this innings, Priscilla again hit over the short leg area for 166 seconds again. 1 ball to go again. 41 for loss of 1 wicket. 41 for loss of 1 wicket. Last ball to go. Last legal delivery to be bowled. She comes round the wicket this time, Nandini. I beg your pardon, Jocelyn. They've gone for a run and they've completed it. So by this single, they ends up their innings with a score of 42 for loss of 1 wicket. Very good batting by Priscilla. She was not out on 38 in just 15 deliveries. And if Red Spark needs to chase down the target, they have to score 43 in the quota of 3 overs. In 18 legal deliveries, they need to score 43 runs if they need to get over the line. Final captains, both the final captains, men's captains, please come for the toss. So the new batters to the crease is Nandini and Jade. Nandini will be on strike, and who's the first bowler is Ikon. Sorry, Janisha. Janisha will be the first bowler, and left-handed batter will be Nandini. Yes, Mr. How are you? Good. 4 runs and no ball. No ball signal by the umpire. It's a free hit also. So starts up with a very good start. 5 runs on the first ball, no ball and a free hit. So they're chasing down the target of 43 in just 3 overs, and they have got already a bonus on the first delivery. Free hit and no ball. 5 runs already scored. Nandini. Oh. Best took the inner edge of the bat. Couldn't do anything. She tries to hit. over the square leg, but completely missed. Again. So it's a dot delivery. Nandini again. Oh, it's a dot delivery again. Nice bit of bowling by Janisha. The score is unmoved to 5. Janisha again. Good shot into the gap for 4. Very well executed shot by Nandini. Nandini moves up to 8. The score is 9. Without a wicket. Nice bit of shot over the extra cover for 4 again. With this 4, the score moves up to 13. Still 2 legal deliveries to be bowled in this over. 13 for no loss. Nandini again this time. Good shot, but it's a catch. Oh, it's a drop. Tries her best to get. It's an overthrow. And they completed 2. And they'll settle for 2. 15 so far on the board. 1 more ball to go in this over. Good shot again, paid to the fine leg area for wonderful boundary. 19 of the over so far. 1 over completed, 19 runs. So required is 24 of 12 deliveries. 12 runs per over need to be scored if they need to be over line. The bowler is Prema. Sorry, Sharon. The new batter is Prema on the strike now. Sharon will be bowling second over for her team. And Prema will be on strike. Let's see how Prema goes. Prema. Okay. Sharon. Oh, nicely bowled. Completely missed by Prema. But they completed a bye run. Now Nandini is on strike. She's playing well. 18 of 7 deliveries. $20 on the board so far after 7 deliveries. 23 needed. Good shot again. Played to the fine leg area for a wonderful boundary. Nandini is playing so well. She's playing smartly. She's picking up the gaps. She's not trying to overhit the ball, and she's just picking up the gaps. Wherever the gaps are, she's playing into it and scoring runs for her team. She moved to 22. She has faced already 8 deliveries. Now, 24 for no loss. 19 required of 10 deliveries. Let's see how Sharon goes now. Good ball and a good hit, but there's a catch. There's a possibility of catch, and yes, she's gone. She's a goner. Nandini has to depart. It wasn't a warpish delivery. She tries to loft over the mid-wicket area, but could find the fielder. She played a nice hand though. 22 of 9 deliveries. Jade is the new batter. 19 requires of 9 deliveries now. What it's gonna be? Batting team or fielding team? Sharon, she's bowling nicely. He's already conceded 5 runs and took a wicket. Jade this time lofts over the square leg area for a wonderful 6. 13 required now in just 8 deliveries. Very good shot. The ball is coming over the wicket now, this time. for Jade. 6 on the very first ball. Nice bit of bowling there, completely missed. She was trying the same shot again, but completely missed. No run taken, no harm done. 13 of 7 deliveries. Women's cricket player of the match for the exhibition match played between the women is Nandini. Nandini, the left-hand batter, she is the man of the match for today's. And Mr. Ambika Gopan would give this award. Ms. Ambika Gopan. Well played, Nandini. All the best for your future. Now, Mrs. Binumol Joseph, I would like to request to present the runner-up medals for the team, for the exhibition team, for the women's runner-up, please. Please come forward one by one. Women's runner-up team will be presented by the medals. Women's runner-up team, please come one by one. Round of applause for these guys also, for the girls. They have shown a brilliant show in the match. Thank you. Now I'd like to call Mr. Saud to present Women's Cricket Runner-Up Trophy for the women's team. Mr. Saud, please come forward and hand over the Women's Runner-Up Trophy for the women's team. Captain, big round of applause for the women's team. Now I'd like to call Mrs. Joby Joseph to come forward and distribute the women's cricket winners medals for the women, the finalists, the final team. Please come forward, the women winners. Please come forward one by one. Now I'd like to call Mr. Qasim Ali again to present Women's Cricket Winners Trophy to the captain and the team. Big round of applause for the women's cricket team. Congratulations, girls. It was a wonderful show. Thank you so much. Let's have a photo session a bit. Good evening, guys. We have the captain of women's Red Sparks team, Ms. Jocelyn, who is the winner of today's exhibition match. Some few words should be shared with Ms. Jocelyn. How was the experience, Ms. Jocelyn? What intentions were there when you came here? And what was in your mind when you came here? How was the strategy? What was the game plan? Can you please brief us a bit?
Yeah, it was a really good match. We enjoyed playing today. As such, we did not had any strategy, but we had only intention to win the match, and we gave our best, and all our players played well, really well, and we won the match. So thank you INFOK for giving us this opportunity to play. We hope you will give us more opportunities in future to play. Hoping for good luck.
Sure, you deserve it. As a result, what you have shown us the game, and you deserve more opportunity, of course. There will be more events, and you will be called for sure, because you have made this event lively, and it was wonderful to see you guys here. And it's wonderful to see the girls, especially when the young girls, when they perform well, and they are the bright future of our country, and they can grow well from here. What are your views about this? What you see from here, especially for the young girls, what they are playing under you?
We have so many young girls playing now, especially for these KC players, so many under 19 players. They're really giving their good in the match. So yes, I wish all the young girls also come out, step out from your home and play your game and show your talent in the field.
Thank you so much. It was wonderful. And thank you so much for joining us. That's it from the presentation. Anything you want to share for this group, INFOK Sports Festival City, please?
Yeah, I just want to thank you, INFOK, for giving us the opportunity. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much.